What's ever up, everybody? JT, Find Your Edge Trading here. We're going to do a quick video going over how to do the risk management Excel spreadsheet and how you can use this to develop your trade plan and stick with it. So as you can see here, we have listed the amount we will use per trade, the number of trades, a stop loss that we're going to target, a profit that we're going to target, and then these are the total outcomes of a stop loss and the total outcomes of a profit being made. And ultimately, you'll come to a net profit here. Now, the way that you use this properly is you're going to insert your trade size here. So you're going to enter in 500 here for 500 bucks. You're going to enter the number of trades you want to simulate. So let's say 100. The stop loss, like we have here, is 15%, so 15 and 25% gains. Now that's me giving myself a positive risk reward ratio so that even if I have a losing win rate, I can still be profitable. But in this example, you can see that we only win 50% of the time, but we have a net profit of 2,500 bucks over these 100 trades. And that's because we are sticking to the plan. A lot of times people will not stick to the plan and they will let that 15% become 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60% losses. And if you keep doing that, you're going to cause yourself to go against the plan and ultimately not become profitable because you're not sticking to your rules. That's why it's important to put this out to lay it out in front of you of how this can really work for you. Now, let's say that you make it a 20%, and actually make sure that you use the bottom here to change things. But let's say that we make that a 20% stop loss, okay? And you can see that our profit went down, but let's say we have a higher profit target of 35%. Then we make more money. But even let's say that we take 60 for a loss and 40 for a profit, we're still profitable. And that's because we have a positive ratio going on here. Now, let's say that we had a negative ratio where we took 30% losses and only took profit at 15%. Look at the difference here. That's a big loser. And what you would have to do is you would have to have a 70-30 here, look, just to make just even a little bit of profit. That's why it's so important to have a tighter stop on your stop losses. And, it doesn't have to be crazy, but even at 20, 15, 25, look at this win rate, which is pretty good, 70%, making 6,500 bucks over 100 trades, and you're only using $500 a trade. That's great over time. Now, if we were going to do 60-40, still 4,500 bucks, it's great. And that's definitely a reasonable way to look at it. So I hope that this is an eye-opener for you. I hope you can use this tool. As a member of FYE, you get this for free. So if you're not a member, just click the link below. We have a $5 7-day trial right now. Check us out. And thank you guys for watching my video. Please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to us for future content. We appreciate y'all. Thanks.